Next up, we're doing some client refinements. He sent me a picture of what extra he wanted done on ED-209. Added the hazard markings, paint the circles there, into the legs, some red here, just some minor refinements. This is the first stage. We're going to do probably a second stage, more on the wires. We didn't want to be overwhelmed. So on Ed here, got the two circles painted with red markings, but I got to go back over with some more red to make it pop. Got the legs painted metallic color, end caps a darker gray, almost black. This is supposed to be probably like a sign that says warning or something. He wanted it red and I got it painted. Got the hazard marking. Next up, I know he wants basically a yellow arrow decal like you would see on a jet. I'll have to go raid the parts box. I got most of the wires painted. Red, green, it's kind of hard to see. Got the other side. He wanted the canopy extended back, so I got it painted. It's slowly taking shape. On the post shading, I didn't use paint. I went with Liquitex ink. It's already pre-mixed and ready to go, and with the airbrush you can either go dark or really light, because this is basically transparent and it gives a nice shading effect. And you can use, different colors like red oxide, transparent burnt umber. I mean, the inks are endless and you can mix them too, so you can make up your own colors. But when you see like a picture of ED-209 and the Argonauts kit, there's differences, but we kind of have to verge in the middle and kind of compromise. But he's really taking shape. I got everything mostly painted here. I had to basically just put washes in to bring out some detail. But I'm digging it. It's a cool kit. And before I forget, he wanted the middle section painted black. So I got that airbrushed on. And once everything dries, I'll shoot a clear coat and then we'll go on to phase 2 of more painting and detailing.